Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a set of few basic but highly effective asanas. Make sure to include all these postures in your everyday yoga routine because they provide you with uncountable benefits. People who are new here, make sure to do warm up and Surya Namaskar before performing these postures. You can refer to our warm up and Surya Namaskar tutorials linked in the description below. We have an amazing online workshop coming up where you all can learn yoga with us in a live session and clarify all your doubts. We have totally 5 batches constituting of 3 topics: flexibility for the youngsters and daily yoga for everybody and weight loss for the folks who are craving to lose weight. We have few amazing techniques and few secret facts which will help you reach your goal soon.
I just wanted to take a moment to talk about the 2-day workshop we will be conducting, of which all the details are given in the description box below. All you have to do is read the PDF and fill out a Google form in which you will be asked a few general questions and upload the screenshot of the payment.
Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and also check our Instagram page for some interesting stuff. Now let's get started. Let's start with a few standing asanas. First, Tadasana. Step your feet 1 foot apart and slowly lift your hands and interlock your fingers while stretching your hands. Tadasana helps in correcting your posture and improves your balance by making your spine more agile. Second, we have Vrikshasana. Place your right foot on your inner left thigh and lift your hands forming Namaskara Mudra. Concentrate on a single point and stay there for about 10 seconds. Repeat the same process on your left side. We have to make sure to perform every posture on both the sides to avoid wear and tear of joints and muscles. Third on the list, we have Ardha Ustrasana, half camel posture. Start by going to Vajrasana by bending your knees and sitting down. Then kneel down as shown in the video and place your hands on your face, supporting the spine with your thumbs. Then slowly exhale and bend back. This posture stimulates the abdominal organs and improves the function of the respiratory system. It also helps relieve back pain. Proceeding to Setu Bandhasana. Lay down with the support of your elbows. Bend your knees and catch your ankle. Slowly lift your body while pushing your shoulders inwards. This posture improves digestion and circulation of blood and calms the brain and the central nervous system. Then slowly lower your body and relax your shoulders. Next we have Pavana Muktasana. This asana helps to remove all the unwanted trapped gases and improves the functioning of the digestive system. This posture is done by bending the knees and touching the thigh to your upper body and hugging your legs while bringing the face near to the knees. Proceeding to Shalabhasana. Lay on your chest and place your hands under the body as shown in the video. Then slowly lift your legs and stay there as long as possible. Make sure to not hold your breath. This posture improves blood supply to the lower back and neck muscles, relieving stiffness in these regions. Let's end the session with Shavasana, also called as the deep relaxation technique. This asana brings the entire body to a meditative state and improves the concentration of the mind. Slowly lay down with the support of your elbows and close your eyes. Stay there for about 25 to 30 seconds. Raise your right hand and bend your left leg and turn towards your right side. Slowly get up and go to a comfortable posture. Make sure to practice these postures every day. Only with consistent practice you will find yourself benefited. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.